Hey there, we're at, what is today, baby? Wednesday?
Wednesday, 15th.
Wednesday, May the 15th. Mayo de 15. We're here at our little runaway here to Peabody Coal Mine in New Athens. Right across over there is the Eagle Lake. And some old dude told us that we should come over here on this opposite side because it's not connected with the main lake and it's a great big puddle. He says he catches lots of fish over here. How to catch crappie. Try to catch bass instead.
Use your line for bass or catfish.
Yeah. Have zero interest in catching crappie. Look at these. The size of that son of a buck.
Yep, those are decent.
Only had about 20 of them. GoPro, stop recording. Oh yeah. Same. Look, crappie.
You getting bored?
Yeah, it must be a stick for him to watch or whatever. You know, it's what they do in the brochure.